Call me Ruth from Cebu, Philippines, and I am a registered nurse for, since 1975 until now. My work experience is in Qatar and also in Europe, Amsterdam. And now, because I am a retired nurse, I now in Philippines. For staying Philippines for how many years, I've noticed that I have pain in my knee. That time is almost 7 months without, I couldn't get any medicine for that. One day, somebody came to me and invited me to have dinner in big hotel. Ma'am Jana came to me and she introduced herself and she introduced about the product, Trifol Stem Cells. And I was listening to her attentively and I've noticed that it's very interested. So I told myself, okay, I want to be a member for that. I became a member. I am interested for that, not for myself, but for my children. I was planning to send it to Europe for my children. And after that, I said, I have to take also for myself. Then 10 days after, I noticed that the pain of my knee was gone. So I was amazed. I was surprised that really no more pain in my knee. I can walk freely crossing the living room, even in the stairs, up and down. I was surprised. I said myself, this product is really effective. However, the amazing part is not only that time, it's also for my stone gallbladder. I have an ultrasound for my stone gallbladder that was a long years ago. Every time for ultrasound, the CM is going up, not until last month, March, for my last ultrasound, from 5.6. Only for 2 months and a half, taken immortality and breakthrough with my surprise, with the help of the Lord, the wonders, the mercy that has given to me was really amazing. The result is only 5.2. Just for 2 months and I have taken that mortality, immortality, and breakthrough. Now, I am not hesitant to encourage you, my brothers and sisters, in Jesus' name, to take the Trifol Stem Cells through my knowledge and experience. This Trifol Stem Cells is really amazing. It's really effective and proven. I believe that this is miracle, but then Jesus gave this miracle through this product.